This is my PhonePe application, and if I select check balance, I can check out all the linked bank accounts over here, but I'm not able to see which is the primary bank account. Now, if you don't know what is a primary bank account and how to change primary account in PhonePe, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first step you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once the application is completely started, as I said, if you go to check balance, you can only check out linked accounts, but you cannot see which is the primary account. For that, you need to go to profile section, then select manage payments. Over here, if you go down, you get an option of UPI bank account. Select that particular option, and again on the next page, you can check out the bank accounts which are linked to PhonePe application. Now, in my case, I have multiple accounts, but HDFC Bank is my primary bank account because you can see in front of that, there is an option of primary. Now, the question is, if you don't know what is a primary bank account, then let me tell you that the primary bank account is default account used for sending and receiving payments in PhonePe application. This can be same for Google Pay, Paytm as well. Also, you can link multiple bank account in any UPI application, but only one can be designated as primary account. So I hope now it is clear that what is primary account, but how to change primary account. To change primary account, it is necessary that you have added multiple bank account. It can be 2 accounts, 3 accounts in any UPI application. As I said, HDFC Bank is my primary account. If I want to make Airtel Payment Bank as my primary account, then I'm going to select Airtel Payment Bank over here. And over here, you can see I get an option of set as primary. But if I go to HDFC, there is no option to set as primary because it is already set to primary. So if you want to keep any particular bank as a primary bank account, select that and then select this set as primary option. Within few seconds, you can see we have successfully changed the primary account. Now, if I go back, Airtel Payment Bank is at top, and now you can see primary is there in front of it. So this is how simple it is to change a primary bank account in PhonePe application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.